Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Destiny and welcome back to yet another amazing video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys 5 new amazing websites you never knew existed that would help you increase your workflow and make you more productive. And if you want to see more videos like this, do not forget to drop a like on this video and consider subscribing, as it will mean the world to me. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first website on our list today is Internet Lifestyles. So you want to know things going around the internet world. You want to know how many emails were sent today. You want to know how many websites that exist in the world. You want to pretty much know how many tweets that went out today on Twitter. Then the right place for you to check out all those is an Internet Lifestyle. So all you have to do is come over to internetlifestyles.com, and over here you can actually see how many internet users are in the world. You can see total numbers of websites, emails sent today, and pretty much anything you want to know about the internet. It could show you things up to almost showing you how many PCs were sold today and how many smartphones were sold today, and it could also show you things like carbon dioxide emission today from the internet and pretty much anything you want to know about the internet. How many users on Facebook, how many users on Instagram, anything pretty much about that, just come over to internetlifestyles.com. So the second website on our list today is tastedrive.com. You want to get some really nice movies, music, TV shows, books, authors, games, podcasts, and pretty much anything to keep you entertained and productive, then the best place to find that out is tastedive.com. So all you have to do is come over to tastedive.com, and in here you can literally search anything you want. For example, let's just search for a story, and let's just say we want to search for kids stories, and let's see what this would give us. As you can see, it shows some podcasts concerning bedtime stories and what if the world stories for kids, and pretty much anything. It could show you books, podcasts. You can listen to podcasts, you can read books, and if you want to find more, maybe what you're looking for wasn't here, you could just click on show more, and as you can see, there are a bunch of this over here. So you want to watch amazing movies, amazing shows, listening to good music, then the best place is at tastedive.com. And the next website on our list today is asoftmomo.com. Okay, it kind of sounds weird, but do you want to tune out distractions? You want to relax, you want to focus while doing your work, you want to just tune out unpleasant noise at your background. Let's say you're at your workplace and you're trying to focus, you're trying to do something, but the unpleasant background noises always keeps you getting distracted. So the best thing you have to do is just come over to asoftmomo.com, and here you could just get this soft momo sound. So let me just refresh this website over here, and let me turn up my volume. Maybe you might just hear this. So what a soft momo does is it actually plays this really soft, let's say a rainy sound, or it could just play this fire sound for you, all this kind of relaxing sound, like let's say a whir from a fan or a beeping from a machine. All this kind of sounds, they are like relaxing to the brain. So that's what the soft momo does. And let me just play this and see if you could just hear something. So you could hear the rain sound, and it's really amazing. You want to walk at night, if you want to do some really fun stuff, you just come over to asoftmomo, listen to the background music and all those to get you focused. And also another thing you can do is turn up the volume of the rain. You could turn up the volume of the rain. You could also turn up the volume of the thunders and waves too. You could turn up the volume of the waves, wind, as you can see. Oh, this is really nice. And fire. Okay, let's say you want to get all this down and just listen to the fire. So as you can see, it looks really nice. I really enjoy using soft momo when I'm coding or when I'm doing something that needs my attention and needs me to focus. So the next website on our list is Wikihow. So this is a very popular website on the internet, and most of you must have already heard of this website, but in case you don't, then welcome here. So are you finding it difficult knowing how to do some things in your daily life, in your family, or pretty much how to reduce the electricity cost bill, or how to minimize the the electricity and all those kind of things, or how to grow plants, or the right way to work out, then the best place to find out how to do all this is in wikihow.com. So all you have to do is come over to wikihow.com and you'll get this nice page over here from Wikihow. The next thing you want to do is just type up something here. Let's say I want to just search for how to look handsome, and hit enter. So as you can see, it brings out a bunch of posts. Like there are a bunch of posts over here. Yeah, 15 posts that would teach you how to look handsome, how to groom yourself for boys, for girls, for any gender. So let's just search for another thing. Let's say I want to search for how to get romantic. Let's see, hit enter, and as you can see, it brings out a bunch of posts, suggests some how to get a dark skin and romantic look. It brings out this one again, how to avoid getting romantically involved with the wrong person. Like there are a bunch of things that you could do here. So the next website on our list is Rainy Mode. I showed you guys a soft Momo earlier. Rainy Mode does exactly the same thing the soft Momo does, plays this gentle rain sound for you to calm down and focus. So when you just play this, and let me just put this close to your ear so you can hear it. So you hear that, right? It's really amazing using the Rainy Mode. Thousands of people around the world are using Rainy Mode to stay focused while working, to stay focused while being productive, to increase their workflow and all that. So the next website on our list today is soonfind.com. Basically, this website allows you get music, like really nice music, but now it features TV shows, movies, games, blogs, podcasts, and really nice stuff. So just like Taste Dive, you can come over to TuneFind to get amazing shows, amazing movies, amazing games, trending, blog posts, and pretty much anything. All you have to do is come over to the search bar over here, and you could just search anything. Let's say you want to search bedtime stories. So you see bedtime stories, there are a lot of things here. You could just play this, and let's see if we could hear something. Okay, you can hear that, right? It sounds really amazing. So you could just use this for your kids, for whatever you want to do. You want to watch movies, you want to listen to amazing trending musics, just come over here. It features literally anything you want for entertainment purposes. And the last website on all this today is what happened in Mypedia.com. This website really blew my mind when I saw it, because it's amazing. Okay, let's just go ahead and see what it does. I was born in 2001. So when you just put in what happened in 2001, you could just put your birthday here. You could just put 1975 over here, but let's just leave this 2001. That was when I was born. Then click on this and just watch what starts happening here. As you can see, it's getting from the light mode to the dark mode. Oh my god, this is really weird. What's going on? Oh no, what's this? And as you can see, it's 2004. Now it's 2001. So let's see. Oh wow, in 2001 the world was a different place. In 2001, the year of your birth, the top selling movie was Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. People buying the popcorn in a cinema lobby had glazing eyes when looking at the poster. Oh my god, yeah, it looks really amazing and nice. Do you know who won the Oscars that year? Wow, the Academy Award for the best movie went to A Beautiful Mind. Oh my god, I never knew this. This is really amazing, and I think it keeps going on and on and on. Theo, I get almost everything that happened in the year 2001, which is my birthday, and I think it really looks amazing. You want to close this, right? Yeah, reload, and it refreshes everything. So you could just go ahead, put in your birthday here, and you get it. So that was pretty much it for this video, and all the website links that were shown in this video would be in the description below. And if you want to see more amazing videos like this, do not forget to drop a like on this video and consider subscribing. Also, do not forget to drop a comment on this video, as it will mean the world to me. And I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye and stay safe for now.